This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm delighted to be here with you. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to go over the slap strumming technique that we can use when playing the guitar. It's super fun. After I've explained this technique, we will work on it together by jamming on a chord progression. And of course, as we're jamming on that chord progression, we will be accompanied by bass and drums. So it'll be super fun. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In that book, there is an explanation for slap strumming on page 90. So this video supplements the materials found there about slap strumming on page 90. And then we will be using a chord progression from page 94 to practice using this technique with. All right, so with slap strumming, this is what happens with slap strumming. And I'm going to demonstrate this with a G chord. So as I'm doing a slap strum, what I'm doing is as I'm strumming the chords, I'm also slapping the strings. So I get this slap strum happening. We don't just slap strum every single one back to back. We insert it in certain places throughout a strumming pattern. So as an example here, up on the board, I have the down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern, which is one of the most common strumming patterns that we use when just playing chords on the guitar. So we have the down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. At this point, this strumming pattern should be super familiar to us in the lesson series. We are going to insert with this strumming pattern a slap strum on beats 2 and 4. So I've put arrows there. So we have the down, down. We're going to put a slap strum there. Up, down, and then a slap strum on that down. So we're putting a slap strum on the second and third down strums, but we're on beats 2 and 4. So if I had this on a G chord, I'm going to have down, slap, up, slap, up, down, slap, up, slap, up. So again, to create that slapping technique, I'm going to strum, but as I do, I'm going to bring the palm of my hand in and slap the strings as well. So I'm strumming with the pick all the way through those strings, but also slapping the strings with the palm of my hand. So down, slap, up, slap, up, down, slap, up, slap, up. We are going to be jamming together on a chord progression that uses the G chord, C chord, and D7 chord. So I'm just going to practice this and you can jam right along with me or just listen to how it happens when I do it with these chords. I'll do it one time on each of the strumming pattern with those chords. So one time on G, one time on C, one time on D7, and come back to G. So you got 1, 2, ready, and... do it at different tempos. I'm going to take it a little bit faster. So you have 1, 2, ready, and... Okay, so now we're ready to jam together on this progression. We're going to use chord progression number 13 from page 94. And we will insert this strumming pattern once per measure, which turns out to be once per chord with that chord progression. And each one of these, I should say this chord progression, we're going to do it twice. First at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So you have 2 different tempos you can work on playing right along with me and the bass and drums with the strumming pattern on it. It's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, awesome. I hope you are having so much fun with this. In the next video that goes with the lesson series, we're going to take a look at the slap muting technique. So we can have strumming patterns where we just have a mute happening inside of that strumming pattern. So we're going to take a look at one of those strumming patterns and how to do that technique in the next video. It's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.